into detail of keyword search. Keyword search is querying a patent database using various keywords related to the given invention, wherein the following steps are followed during the course of search. First, to identify the keywords that define the features of your invention, followed by identify synonyms for the keyword selected, and then form the key strings that can be used as a search query in the database. For example, with regard to the invention, pomegranate for the treatment of cancer. The keywords are pomegranate, cancer and treatment. Synonyms that can be used for the keyword cancer are carcinoma, tumor, cell proliferation. So the steps for conducting a keyword search are: select the keywords, find the synonyms for the selected keywords, and then finally combine the keywords and the synonyms. In order to combine the keywords and the synonyms, Boolean operators such as and, not, or, and not can be used. And in order to extend the search, truncation characters or wildcard characters such as star, dollar, question mark, hash can be used, wherein the Boolean operators and wildcard characters could differ with different databases. For example, here dollar is a wildcard character used in USPTO, that is United States Patent Trademark Office, wherein the dollar stands for string of characters of any length. And in WIPO and eSpaceNet, they use star, that is string of characters for any length. And question mark signifies 0 or 1 character, hash signifies exactly 1 character. Note that some databases also allow you to define the proximity operators such as near operators, wherein the keyword should be from one another in written documents. So you may also use proximity operators to narrow down your query search. So while carrying out your search, it should be like, while carrying out your search in a patent, it should be like you have to define the fields in the document. That is, for example, firstly you have to start with the title of the patent, followed by title plus abstract, then title plus abstract plus claim, finally the complete specification. But always remember that keyword search can be very tricky. Most often, success in the keyword search depends on the exhaustiveness of the keywords which you have used. For example, if you are searching for a document related to a pencil, then only pencil as a query, you will miss some of the documents which relates to the phrase writing instrument. Therefore, the keyword search alone cannot be used to get the relevant patents. So hence, in order to broaden your search, you need to carry out a patent classification search. Now moving on to patent classification search. Patent classification is a hierarchical system in which technology has been classified. Each patent application will be assigned one or more classes based on the technology to which it relates. So some of the most popular classification codes in use are US classification code, then International Patent Classification, European Classification, ECLA. Now for example, for the invention coating material for preserving food products, the classification code that could be used for preserving food product is A23L3/00. This is according to the IPC code, wherein the A signifies the section human necessity, A23 is the class, that is food or foodstuffs, their treatment not covered by other classes, and A23L is the subclass preserving, example by canning, meat, fish, egg, fruit, vegetables, edible seeds, chemical ripening of the fruit or vegetables, the preserved, ripened or canned products. And the main group is A23L3/00, which signifies general method for preserving meat, sausages, fish or fish products.